Shane with General Machine, Division of 5-Point. I'm going to show you how to string the wires in a harp today. So first you're going to do is take your harp and make sure that you actually have it flat, straight. Check it with a straight edge. Verify you've got a straight harp. Harp straight. Ready to set it up. Always want to start with running your shortest wires first, and then move on to your longer wires. Determine the length of your wires. Measure between your harp bolts. You want to add 8 inches onto the wire. The easiest way to do that, take your tape, start at 8 inches, and then measure what you need to do. Before you string your wires, you got to make sure that you have your harp bolt set from the harp face to the shoulder of the bolt at 5/16 of an inch. Now that you got all your harp bolts set at your 5/16 of an inch, you can begin to string your wires. Again, string your short wires first, long wires second. Once you get the wire through, first one, put your bend down on the far end. Put another bend and you can put that bend up. So then you start, take your first one on the far side. I normally start with my ratchet up, and I give it 2.5 rotations, pulling the wire down and over to the shoulder, and then you can jam that. Keeping tension on the wire, pull it down, make sure to hold it. Go to the other side, and then tighten, keeping your wire over to the shoulder of the bolt again. You tighten it to your desired tension. Hold that. You could give just a little bit extra, and then you can jam up the back side of that one as well. Your wire's good. You're going to want to verify that you have your harp bolts in on the correct side. You take a measurement and make sure you're straight and parallel on your harp. If you wired the wrong side, it's going to be angled. Reason for Harp wiring the first wires of the Harp short. So when you put your longer wires on, when the cheese or product pushes through, it gives extra strength in the back of the longer wires from the shorter wires.